Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making another recipe for Hakien, shrimp Hakien. In a bowl, add green onion, chopped green onion, diced onion, and also shrimp that I have cut into small pieces, and also a carrot grated, and also a chayote grated. But the chayote is very important to squeeze all the water before adding to the mixture. Now this Hakien recipe is totally different from the ones that I have before in my channel. There's many ways of making Hakien. This is one of them. Now I'm gonna add a garlic paste. You can also add garlic grated or minced garlic, then add salt, and then add ground black pepper and light soya sauce and also fish sauce. So I'm just gonna take a wooden spoon and mix them all together until they combine. Then add cornstarch. The cornstarch is what is gonna help this mixture to combine and hold it together in the shape of the Hakien. So add a tablespoon and then add a little bit more. Don't add all at once. So you can add and then see how the mixture looks like. If it's easy, you can grab it easily to shape it into the Hakien oval shape. Then you stop adding the cornstarch. The written ingredient is down below in the description box. You can also check my website lailascuisine.com for all complete recipe for English and French both. Now you're gonna take a tablespoon and form the Hakien. Just grab a tablespoon to form it into an oval shape. So using a tablespoon, you're gonna get all even shape, even size. So just do all of them like that, set them on a plate. And then now we are going to make the batter. In another bowl, you're going to take all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt, take a hand whisk, and just whisk them all together. Then add vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Very important in this step over here. Then add water a little bit at a time and mix. Then I will show you the consistency after mixing the batter. And this is what you're looking for. This is a consistency. In the meantime, oil is preheating and it's time to go make the Hakien. So take the oval shape Hakien that we have made earlier, dip into this batter. Try to drop the excess on the side of the bowl, of the excess of the butter, and then just drop them into the oil. The oil has to be on medium low because the shrimp is raw, everything is raw, and they have to cook inside as well. So when you see the Hakien has some colors, then you can take a fork and move it around and let it fry. It has to fry at least 8 to 10 minutes, or maybe less, maybe more. It's all depend on your stove. This is an electric stove, and if it's a gas stove, then it may take quicker. And now the Hakien is ready. Hope you guys enjoy this video with me. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time with another one. For now, bye bye.